Okay, students. I'm T.P. Raju, assistant professor in Ramji Archipelago College in Technology, Nagpur. Now we are going to learn how to give input from the keyboard in in Python. How to give the input from the keyboard that we are going to learn today. For that, what we do in this program, we use one function with the name input. In Python, input is the function. By using input function, we are able to the keyboard input. Okay. First, I put the hash. It is a comment. Program for keyboard input. Okay. I take the variable uh, equal to. I write the function input here. Enter a number. Next, I write b equal to input enter second number. Okay, here enter first number you write. Here we put the enter second number. Input is the function in Python. By using input function, we can get the keyboard input. But input function gives data in the form of string only, but we require in the form of integer. That's why we need to convert that value into integer. For that, we have the function int. Okay? Int is the function. With that int function, you are able to convert that string into integer. In that manner, for second line also, we put the input function into function to convert that value, string value into integer. In that manner, we are converting. Next, we write c equal to a slash b. We are doing the arithmetic operation, and we print the answer using print function. Division answer is C. Remember that we don't require any data types in Python programming. We directly take the variable and value. Okay, input is the function. By using input function, we are able to do the keyboard input. But input function gives data in string number. Enter number testing. Testing is type. Okay, I'm entering one more number. By using that number, we're able to see the type of that value. Okay, I write here print. Type is the function. The type function I give the variable t. This type function returns the data type of that variable t. Let us see how this program works. I go to file and click the save button. Then I go to run menu and click the start debug. Okay, click the enter key. Now we are seeing the output. Okay, it is asking me first number. I give first number 10. It is asking me second number. I give some 5. Press enter key. Receiving 10 by 5, 2.0. It is asking one more number for testing. I give here 4. Press enter key. It is showing class str. Okay. With this class str, we are able to understand that input function returns value in the form of string 1. Okay. Type is the function. By using type function, we are able to get the type of the value, data type of the value. Type is the function. Okay. The type function is returning the data type of the value. It is str, string. With this output, you are able to understand, we are able to decide or understand that input function returns the value in the form of string only. If you want to get that value in integer, you have to convert that to string value into int. This is the way of using input function and way of using type function. Okay. By this, you are able to know the functions of the Python program. Thank you. Thank you so much.